Are you looking to revolutionize your kidney health with simple dietary changes? Imagine being able to support one of your body's most vital organs through the foods you eat every day. It's not only possible, but it's also incredibly effective. Today, we're going to explore the top 7 alkaline foods that have powerful kidney cleansing abilities, offering you a natural way to boost your kidney health and enhance your overall well being. Stay tuned as we dive into these superfoods and learn how easy it can be to incorporate them into your daily diet for maximum health benefits. Kidney health is crucial for overall well being as these vital organs perform several essential functions in the body. They help regulate blood pressure, filter waste and toxins from the blood, and balance fluids and electrolytes. Additionally, kidneys play a significant role in hormone production, affecting bone health and red blood cell production. When your kidneys are functioning properly, your body is more capable of maintaining a stable internal environment, allowing all other systems to operate effectively. Therefore, keeping your kidneys healthy can lead to better energy levels, improved metabolism, and a stronger immune system, contributing to your overall health and quality of life. Today, we're diving into the 7 most powerful alkaline foods that cleanse your kidneys like no other. Each of these foods brings unique benefits packed with nutrients that help reduce acidity levels and flush out toxins, giving your kidneys the support they need to perform at their best. From the crisp freshness of cucumbers to the bold flavors of garlic, these alkaline powerhouses are game changers for anyone looking to enhance their kidney health naturally. Get ready to discover how simple additions to your diet can make a big difference in how you feel and function every day. Today, we're focusing on a vital aspect of health that often goes overlooked: kidney health. Maintaining healthy kidneys is essential because they are key to filtering out waste, balancing body fluids, and regulating various crucial bodily functions. Their well being can dramatically influence your overall health, vitality, and the ability to lead an active life. In our discussion today, we'll delve into the role of alkaline foods in supporting kidney health. Alkaline foods help balance the body's pH levels, reduce acidity, and can assist in cleansing the kidneys naturally. These foods not only promote better kidney function, but also support a healthier lifestyle. So, if you're curious about how to naturally support your kidneys through what you eat, you're in the right place. Let's explore these powerful kidney cleansers and learn how they can benefit your health. The kidneys are remarkable organs that play several critical roles in maintaining your health. Primarily, they are responsible for filtering and removing waste products and excess substances from your blood, which are then expelled in your urine. Beyond this, kidneys help regulate blood pressure, control the levels of electrolytes like sodium and potassium, and produce hormones that manage red blood cell production and bone health. Healthy kidneys are essential because they ensure that your body's internal environment remains stable and efficient, allowing other systems to function properly. Without this crucial regulation, waste and toxins can build up in the body, potentially leading to serious health issues such as kidney disease, high blood pressure, and ultimately decreased quality of life. Hence, keeping your kidneys functioning well is fundamental to overall health and well-being. Common kidney problems include conditions like kidney stones and chronic kidney disease, which can significantly impact one's health and quality of life. Kidney stones are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside the kidneys, often causing severe pain and blockages in urine flow. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, on the other hand, is a progressive loss of kidney function over time. It can be caused by high blood pressure, diabetes, and other chronic conditions that damage the kidneys. Both of these issues highlight the importance of kidney health management. They illustrate how vital it is to maintain a diet and lifestyle that support kidney function and prevent the onset of diseases that can lead to more severe complications. Diet plays a crucial role in managing and preventing kidney-related health issues, particularly through the inclusion of alkaline foods. These foods help balance the body's pH level, reducing the acidity that can contribute to kidney stone formation and stress on the kidneys. Alkaline foods like leafy greens, cucumbers, and citrus fruits can help decrease inflammation and the buildup of toxins, supporting overall kidney function. For individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, a diet rich in alkaline foods can help slow the progression of the disease by helping maintain an optimal internal environment. Such dietary choices not only aid in preventing the formation of kidney stones by reducing urinary calcium excretion, but also enhance the body's ability to detoxify and heal, thereby safeguarding kidney health against potential damage from diseases or poor dietary habits. Cucumbers are a fantastic choice for kidney health due to their high water content and natural detoxifying properties. They help hydrate the body and flush out toxins from the kidneys and urinary tract. Cucumbers are also low in calories, yet rich in important nutrients like potassium, which aids in maintaining a healthy electrolyte balance, and magnesium, which is beneficial for overall kidney function. Including cucumbers in your diet is incredibly easy and versatile. They can be added to salads for a refreshing crunch, blended into smoothies for a hydrating drink, or sliced and served with hummus or yogurt dips as a healthy snack. For a simple detoxifying drink, you can also try cucumber-infused water by adding slices of cucumber to a pitcher of water and letting it sit overnight, which helps infuse the water with nutrients. Celery is renowned for its diuretic effect and cleansing properties, making it an excellent food for kidney health. It helps the body eliminate toxins by increasing urine production, thus aiding the kidneys in flushing out waste more efficiently. Celery is also rich in antioxidants and compounds that reduce inflammation, further supporting kidney function and overall health. Incorporating celery into your diet can be both simple and delicious. One popular way to enjoy celery's benefits is by juicing it. Starting your day with a glass of fresh celery juice can stimulate detoxification. Celery can also be chopped into salads, added to stir fries, or used as a crunchy snack paired with healthy dips like almond butter or guacamole. For a quick and nutritious snack, try stuffing celery sticks with cottage cheese or a tuna salad for added protein. These simple ideas make it easy to include celery in your daily diet, boosting not just kidney health, but also contributing to your intake of essential nutrients. Beets are a powerhouse for kidney health, packed with nutrients that are beneficial for kidney function and overall wellness. They contain betaine, a compound that helps protect the kidneys from damage, and are rich in antioxidants like betalains, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help reduce oxidative stress. Beets also provide a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps eliminate toxins through regular bowel movements. Consuming beets can be enjoyable and varied. Raw beets can be grated into salads for a sweet, earthy flavor, or sliced thinly and added to sandwiches for a crunchy texture. Roasting beets enhances their natural sweetness, making them a great side dish or an addition to entrees. Beet juice is another excellent way to obtain their kidney-supporting benefits, especially when mixed with other beneficial ingredients like apple or carrot. For those looking to incorporate beets regularly, pickling them is a convenient option, allowing you to keep them on hand as a flavorful addition to meals throughout the week. Spinach is highly valued for its detoxification abilities, thanks to its high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support liver and kidney health. It's rich in chlorophyll, which can help to cleanse the body of harmful toxins and improve liver function. Additionally, the high levels of folate and vitamin C in spinach protect the kidneys from inflammation and oxidative stress, aiding in the overall detoxification process. However, it's important to be mindful of the oxalate content in spinach, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. Oxalates bind to calcium in the kidney, potentially leading to the development of calcium oxalate stones. To enjoy the benefits of spinach while mitigating the risk, it's advisable to consume it in moderation and maintain a balance with other low oxalate greens like kale or Swiss chard. Cooking spinach can also help reduce its oxalate content, making steamed or sautéed spinach a safer choice than raw, especially for those with a history of kidney stones. Pairing spinach with foods rich in calcium, such as dairy products or fortified plant milks, can further help by binding oxalates in the digestive tract, preventing their absorption and reducing their impact on the kidneys. Lemon is an exceptional fruit when it comes to enhancing kidney health and overall body alkalinity. Its high citric acid content is a natural booster for kidney function, helping to prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, which in turn reduces the risk of stone formation. Lemons are also loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from damage by neutralizing free radicals. Incorporating lemon into your daily routine can be as simple as starting your day with a glass of lemon water. This is a gentle yet effective detoxifying drink that aids in cleansing the kidneys and liver. To make lemon water, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water and drink it first thing in the morning. This practice helps flush out toxins and primes the digestive system for the day. Adding lemon to your water throughout the day can continue the cleansing process, ensuring that you're supporting your kidneys consistently. Lemon can also be added to teas, salads, and a variety of dishes to enhance flavor while providing health benefits. Watermelon is an excellent food for kidney health, primarily due to its exceptionally high water content. This hydrating fruit is made up of about 92% water, making it ideal for flushing the kidneys and helping the body eliminate excess sodium and toxins. The natural diuretic properties of watermelon aid in increasing urine production, which is crucial for cleansing the kidneys and reducing the risk of stone formation. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that improves organ functions and reduces oxidative stress. For optimal benefits, consuming watermelon at certain times can be particularly effective. Eating watermelon between meals is advised because its high water content can help the digestion process and promote better absorption of its nutrients without diluting digestive enzymes. Morning is a great time to enjoy watermelon to hydrate and initiate a natural detoxification process for the day. Similarly, consuming it on a hot day can provide a refreshing and natural way to stay hydrated, supporting kidney and overall bodily functions. Hydration is paramount for kidney health. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps the kidneys flush out sodium, urea, and toxins from the body and prevents the formation of kidney stones. It's recommended to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of fluid per day, predominantly water, as part of a healthy lifestyle. In addition to staying hydrated, other dietary and lifestyle changes can significantly benefit kidney health. Reducing salt intake is crucial, as high sodium levels can increase blood pressure, putting extra strain on the kidneys. Opt for herbs and spices to flavor meals instead of salt. Also, moderating protein consumption is important, especially animal proteins, which can produce high amounts of acid in the blood, potentially leading to kidney damage. Consider incorporating more plant-based sources of protein, such as lentils and quinoa, into your diet. Regular exercise can also improve circulation and overall health, aiding the kidneys in their filtering process. Avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol intake are other vital steps, as both habits can impair kidney function and lead to kidney damage. By adopting these healthy habits, you can significantly reduce the risk of developing kidney problems and support your overall health. In conclusion, we've explored 7 powerful alkaline foods that offer tremendous benefits for kidney health. Let's quickly recap. Cucumbers, with their hydrating properties and natural detoxifying abilities. Celery, renowned for its diuretic effect and cleansing properties. Beets, packed with nutrients that support kidney function and detoxification. Spinach, rich in chlorophyll and antioxidants, aiding in detoxification while being mindful of oxalate content. Garlic, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, supporting overall kidney health. Lemon, aiding in alkalizing the body and promoting kidney cleansing, particularly when consumed as lemon water. Watermelon, with its high water content and natural diuretic properties, beneficial for flushing the kidneys. Incorporating these alkaline foods into your diet can have a transformative impact on your kidney health and overall well-being. Whether you add them to salads, smoothies, or enjoy them as snacks, these foods offer a delicious and natural way to support your kidneys. We encourage you to start incorporating these foods into your daily meals and experience the benefits firsthand. Remember to stay hydrated, reduce salt intake, and maintain a healthy lifestyle to further support your kidney health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with these alkaline foods in the comments below, or feel free to ask any additional questions you may have. Together, let's take proactive steps towards better kidney health and overall wellness. Before you go, we'd like to ask for your support in helping us spread the word about the importance of kidney health and the benefits of alkaline foods. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable health tips and insights. In our upcoming videos, we'll continue to explore topics related to health and well-being, including tips for maintaining a balanced diet, incorporating exercise into your routine, managing stress, and much more. So stay tuned and be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Together, let's empower ourselves with knowledge and make informed choices to lead healthier, happier lives. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.